Hey, what's up everybody? How's it going? Wanted to make this quick video here. A little bit different. As you can see, I got my trusty guitar here. I actually took off the metal pickup covers on this particular guitar a little. I wanted to see what it looked like under here. I think it actually looks better this way. I have a couple other Les Pauls and I kind of like this. It's got like a faded cream look and then this pickup here. So I kind of took it off, but I wanted to make this video. I haven't made any guitar stuff in a while. I'm not a professional guitarist by any sense of the word. So I just, but with this whole quarantine thing, I've been out here practicing a lot, just kind of getting things going. So I figured I would show anybody, an easy song here. Just at least the beginning kind of riffs of Kiss, God of Thunder. Kiss was one of my favorite bands when I was a kid. Still are. I still love Kiss. And just Ace Frehley, just amazing when you start learning some of his riffs that, like, I don't want to say how easy they are, but how simple, like how he could just take normal bar chords like and just, and make a career out of them, basically. I mean, there's so many Kiss songs from the early days in the 70s where, it's just, you learn them and you're like, wow, like I could have written that song. But it's crazy. So this one, God of Thunder, again, I don't like to use the word easy because what's easy to me or easy to anyone else may not be easy for other people. So it's a simple pattern. So let's just get into it. Basically, it kind of goes like this. So pretty simple. Ace Frehley loved the minor pentatonic, and here we're living. Basically, this whole riff is in the minor pentatonic. So basically, it's open E, and then you put your finger on the 5th fret, so on the high or the low E string, so it's, and then you kind of just bar your finger on the A string on the 5th fret, so open 5. I'm sorry, it's not 5, 7. I'm not a professional teacher. I'm just showing some riffs that I know. So again, it's the open E string, and then you go 7 on the low E and the low A. So it's 2 times the E, and then you hit the 7th fret on the low E, or I'm sorry, 7th fret on the low A, and then 7th fret on the low E, then 5th fret on the A, and then 7th fret on the A again. And then you kind of repeat that, then it goes open, then 7 on the A, 7 on the E, then 5, 7 on the A, and then do it again. And then you go to 5 on the D. So I'll just do it slow, so it's to repeat that, it's basically open on the low E, and then 7th fret on the A, 7th fret on the low E, and then 5th fret on the A, and then 7th fret on the A, just again right in that minor pentatonic. Then you repeat the whole riff again, and then you just put your first finger on the 5th fret of the D string, and then that little chunky riff is basically, I use my first finger, I mean it's just easier So you're gonna bar the D right here and G. Right? So it goes. Then you do one more. And then bar the D and the G. Then you on the 5th fret, and then you bar the A and the D on the 7th fret. And then you go back to the 5th fret of the D and G, and then 7th fret of the D and G. Again, this whole entire riff is in the minor pentatonic. So let me play it for you. Real slow. I'll do it slow. So you kind of give it a little nudge, that bar on the 7th fret. You kind of move it a little bit. And then you go back to the 5th fret again. You're basically just using on this entire riff, it's just the 5th and 7th frets of each of the E, A, D, and G. That's it. That's all it is. There's no other frets, just 5, 7. Again, Ace Frehley loved to live in the minor pentatonic. So again, I'll play it up to speed just so you can see it. Now on the recording, remember this is tuned half a step down, so it's tuned flat. Now that only matters if you want to play along with the record. But if you're playing just by yourself, you know, yeah, I hate these. I just changed the strings, so I know, I'm sorry. I hate people that have all these weird-ass string things flying around. But totally, I mean, a total simple riff, killer riff by Kiss. Love it. Again, a lot of their stuff is, again, not easy, just simple. And sometimes simple is the way to go. Again, you know, Ace Frehley loved just, you know, 1-finger bar chords. And he loved these bar chords. And he loves just moving up, and that minor pentatonic. So I hope that was enjoyable for somebody. Again, one of the first riffs I ever learned way back in the day. And again, with this whole quarantine thing, I'm finding myself just spending more time playing guitar, which is cool. You know, I always needed an excuse to do it. I'm always too busy doing something else. So I figure now, with what's going on, it's given me a lot of time to learn a lot of new songs and just practice, you know, some of my own stuff. One thing I will say is, you know, learning songs actually, for me, this is just for me, learning songs helps me learn how to play, because, you know, again, just that simple riff. Play it one more time. In that minor pentatonic, and then you're like, oh, okay, you can kind of just noodle with that minor pentatonic. It just helped me learn stuff. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, leave a like. If you wouldn't mind, I don't know, subscribe if you want to. I got other stuff on this channel. I do, you know, guitar stuff, beard stuff. So, you know, I've got a thing going on right now. But thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful to someone. Take care.